CompTIA Troubleshooting Quiz Bank. Question 1. A CompTIA A+ learner is facing a realistic support scenario about technical troubleshooting. A user says the computer is dead and nothing happens. What is the best first check? Which choice gives the most accurate technician-level answer? Option A. Operating system language. Option B. Power source and cable seating. Option C. Browser history. Option D. Wallpaper folder. The correct answer is option B. Power source and cable seating. Troubleshooting starts with simple, likely causes before complex ones. A missing or loose power connection can mimic a major failure. Question 2. During a YouTube long-form practice session on technical troubleshooting, the viewer is asked to think like a help desk technician. A computer powers on but displays nothing. What should be tested early? What is the best answer? Option A. Recycle bin size. Option B. Speaker balance. Option C. Monitor input and video cable. Option D. Calendar settings. The correct answer is option C. Monitor input and video cable. No display issues often come from signal path problems rather than failed core hardware. Checking the screen, input selection and cable is fast and low risk. Question 3. A new technician is reviewing a real workplace situation involving technical troubleshooting. Which troubleshooting step should come before forming a theory? Which option should they choose to solve the problem correctly? Option A. Replace the motherboard. Option B. Erase the drive. Option C. Close the ticket. Option D. Identify the problem by gathering symptoms. The correct answer is option D. Identify the problem by gathering symptoms. Good diagnosis begins with facts from the user and the device. Acting too early turns troubleshooting into guessing. Question 4. Imagine a support ticket arrives and the issue connects directly to technical troubleshooting. A PC shuts down under heavy load. Which cause is most likely? Which response shows the strongest CompTIA A+ understanding? Option A. Overheating. Option B. Font corruption. Option C. Low mouse battery. Option D. Wrong time zone. The correct answer is option A. Overheating. Demanding tasks produce more heat, and protective shutdowns occur when temperatures rise too high. Cooling checks should include fans, dust, paste, and airflow. Question 5. A student preparing for the CompTIA A+ exam wants to avoid a common beginner mistake in technical troubleshooting. After testing a theory, what should the technician do if it is confirmed? What answer best fits the scenario? Option A. Delete all logs. Option B. Establish a plan of action. Option C. Ignore documentation. Option D. Change unrelated settings. The correct answer is option B. Establish a plan of action. A confirmed cause should lead to a focused repair plan. This prevents random changes and keeps the solution tied to evidence. Question 6. In a practical IT support environment, a technician must apply knowledge of technical troubleshooting. A laptop runs slowly only when many apps are open. What resource should be reviewed? Which option is the most professional and accurate choice? Option A. Monitor color depth. Option B. Printer tray size. Option C. Memory usage. Option D. Cable length. The correct answer is option C. Memory usage. Limited working memory forces the system to juggle data inefficiently. Monitoring resource use reveals whether the device is overloaded. Question 7. A viewer is being challenged with a scenario-style CompTIA question about technical troubleshooting. A user sees frequent suspicious pop-ups. What should be suspected? Which answer would a skilled technician select first? Option A. Bad HDMI cable. Option B. Loose chair wheel. Option C. Wrong keyboard color. Option D. Malware or unwanted software. The correct answer is option D. Malware or unwanted software. Unexpected pop-ups are often signs of harmful or unwanted programs. Security scanning and safe browsing review are appropriate next steps. Question 8. While studying for long-form CompTIA A+ practice, the learner must connect theory to a real support task in technical troubleshooting. A network printer is offline for everyone. What should be checked before reinstalling drivers? What is the correct choice? Option A. Printer power and network connection. Option B. User wallpaper. Option C. Mouse sensitivity. Option D. Monitor refresh rate. The correct answer is option A. Printer power and network connection. When all users are affected, the shared device or its connection is the likely focus. Basic availability checks save time before software changes. Question 9. A small business user needs help, and the situation tests a technician's understanding of technical troubleshooting. A user cannot reach websites by name but can ping an IP address. What is likely failing? Which answer best resolves the issue? Option A. Screen calibration. Option B, name resolution. Option C, local storage. Option D, keyboard driver. The correct answer is option B, name resolution. Successful address-based communication proves some connectivity exists. The problem is likely the translation service that turns friendly names into destinations. Question 10. For a YouTube exam prep question designed to test real-world judgment in technical troubleshooting, consider this situation. Why should a technician change only one variable at a time? Which option is the best answer? Option A, to slow the repair on purpose. Option B, to reduce screen brightness. Option C, to identify what actually fixed the issue. Option D, to fill more forms. The correct answer is option C, to identify what actually fixed the issue. Single change testing creates a clear cause and effect trail. Multiple changes at once can hide the real solution and create new problems. Question 11. A CompTIA A+ learner is facing a realistic support scenario about technical troubleshooting. A computer makes grinding noises. Which parts should be inspected? Which choice gives the most accurate technician-level answer? Option A, cloud account. Option B, browser bookmark. Option C, user avatar. Option D, fans or mechanical drive. The correct answer is option D, fans or mechanical drive. Grinding usually comes from moving parts under stress or wear. Early inspection can prevent overheating, data loss, or sudden failure. Question 12. During a YouTube long-form practice session on technical troubleshooting, the viewer is asked to think like a help desk technician. A blue screen appears after a new driver install. What is the most logical action? What is the best answer? Option A, roll back or update that driver. Option B, replace the keyboard. Option C, move the desk. Option D, change the wallpaper. The correct answer is option A, roll back or update that driver. Recent changes are powerful clues. Reversing or correcting the driver can restore stability without touching unrelated components. Question 13. A new technician is reviewing a real workplace situation involving technical troubleshooting. A user reports missing files. What should be checked before attempting risky recovery? Which option should they choose to solve the problem correctly? Option A, monitor cable. Option B, backups and previous versions. Option C, sound volume. Option D, case lighting. The correct answer is option B, backups and previous versions. Recovery is safest when a clean copy already exists. Backups protect users from turning an accident into permanent loss. Question 14. Imagine a support ticket arrives and the issue connects directly to technical troubleshooting. A browser is slow, but the rest of the system is normal. Which area should be reviewed? Which response shows the strongest CompTIA A+ understanding? Option A, power supply wattage. Option B, CPU socket. Option C, extensions, cache and browser settings. Option D, fan bearing. The correct answer is option C, extensions, cache and browser settings. A problem limited to one application usually starts inside that application. Add-ons and stored data can affect speed and behavior. Question 15. A student preparing for the CompTIA A+ exam wants to avoid a common beginner mistake in technical troubleshooting. A device works in safe mode but crashes during normal startup. What does this suggest? What answer best fits the scenario? Option A, a missing monitor stand. Option B, a bad desk outlet only. Option C, a printer paper jam. Option D, a driver or startup software issue. The correct answer is option D, a driver or startup software issue. A minimal boot environment removes many extras. If the problem disappears there, added software or drivers become strong suspects. Question 16. In a practical IT support environment, a technician must apply knowledge of technical troubleshooting. What should a technician do after implementing a fix? Which option is the most professional and accurate choice? Option A, verify functionality and document results. Option B, leave immediately. Option C, delete all evidence. Option D, skip user confirmation. The correct answer is option A, verify functionality and document results. A repair is not complete until the system works as expected. Documentation turns the experience into useful knowledge for future support. Question 17. A viewer is being challenged with a scenario-style CompTIA question about technical troubleshooting. A desktop intermittently loses wired network connectivity. What should be checked early? Which answer would a skilled technician select first? Option A, photo app settings. Option B, cable, port, and link lights. Option C, speaker cable. Option D, font size. The correct answer is option B, cable, port, and link lights. Intermittent drops often involve physical connection problems. Link indicators and cable swaps can quickly narrow the cause. Question 18. While studying for long-form CompTIA practice, the learner must connect theory to a real support task in technical troubleshooting. A PC is hot and dusty inside. What maintenance is most appropriate? What is the correct choice? Option A, pour water inside. Option B, block exhaust vents. Option C, clean vents and fans safely. Option D, disable cooling. The correct answer is option C, clean vents and fans safely. Dust acts like insulation and reduces airflow. Careful cleaning helps cooling systems work as designed. Question 19. A small business user needs help, and the situation tests a technician's understanding of technical troubleshooting. A user says the computer was fine before a new app was installed. What is the clue? Which answer best resolves the issue? Option A, monitor brightness. Option B, office chair height. Option C, mousepad shape. Option D, recent software change. The correct answer is option D, recent software change. The timing of a change often points directly to the cause. Removing, updating, or reconfiguring the new program is a reasonable next step. Question 20. For a YouTube exam prep question designed to test real-world judgment and technical troubleshooting, consider this situation. A system clock resets every time power is removed. Which component should be considered? Which option is the best answer? Option A, motherboard battery. Option B, graphics card fan. Option C, printer spooler. Option D, USB flash drive. The correct answer is option A, motherboard battery. A small board battery preserves basic settings while unplugged. When it fails, date, time, and firmware settings may reset. Question 21. A CompTIA learner is facing a realistic support scenario about technical troubleshooting. A laptop has no Wi-Fi networks listed. What should be checked first? Which choice gives the most accurate technician-level answer? Option A, external monitor cable. Option B, wireless toggle and adapter status. Option C, printer toner. Option D, disk partition size. The correct answer is option B, wireless toggle and adapter status. The radio may be disabled in software or by a physical key. Checking the adapter state is faster than replacing hardware. Question 22. During a YouTube long-form practice session on technical troubleshooting, the viewer is asked to think like a help desk technician. A slow computer has nearly full storage. What is a practical remedy? What is the best answer? Option A, change desktop theme. Option B, raise speaker volume. Option C, free space and remove unnecessary files. Option D, replace keyboard keys. The correct answer is option C, free space and remove unnecessary files. Low free space can harm updates, caching, and general responsiveness. Cleaning up data or expanding storage can restore breathing room. Question 23. A new technician is reviewing a real workplace situation involving technical troubleshooting. A user cannot sign in after repeatedly mistyping credentials. What should be reviewed? Which option should they choose to solve the problem correctly? Option A, monitor refresh rate. Option B, power cable rating. Option C, mouse driver. Option D, account lockout or password reset process. The correct answer is option D, account lockout or password reset process. Security controls may temporarily block access after repeated failures. Following the correct reset process protects both the user and the organization. Question 24. Imagine a support ticket arrives and the issue connects directly to technical troubleshooting. A technician needs to confirm whether a fix lasts after reboot. What should be done? Which response shows the strongest CompTIA understanding? Option A, restart and retest the original issue. Option B, close the ticket without testing. Option C, change unrelated hardware. Option D, ask another user to guess. The correct answer is option A, restart and retest the original issue. Some failures return only after services reload. Retesting under realistic conditions proves the solution is stable. Question 25. A student preparing for the CompTIA exam wants to avoid a common beginner mistake in technical troubleshooting. Why does structured troubleshooting matter in certification and real work? What answer best fits the scenario? Option A, it removes the need for knowledge. Option B, it produces consistent, evidence-based repairs. Option C, it makes every answer the same. Option D, it prevents all failures forever. The correct answer is option B, it produces consistent, evidence-based repairs. A methodical process turns confusion into a sequence of decisions. That discipline reduces wasted effort and builds trust with users.